Welcome to Food in a Flash. I know most of you, but for those that don't know me, my name is Sarah. I'm one of the health promotion coaches here at the cooperative. And today for Food in a Flash, we are going to be talking about green bell peppers. So as you know, bell peppers come in many different colors, but today we're just going to talk about green bell peppers specifically. So as you know, vegetables are a great source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, while staying low in calories and fat. So a lot of bang for your buck. And peppers are no different. So some of the specific benefits about eating green bell peppers, only about 15 calories for a half of a cup. So if you figure you put a half a cup in your eggs in the morning, it's only 15 calories. They also have double the amount of vitamin C by weight than citrus fruits, which I thought was really interesting. So just a lot more vitamin C that you can get from those. They're high in iron, and then some additional vitamins and things like that that are in green bell peppers. So vitamin A helps with immune function, our vision, supports cell growth, especially for our lungs and our heart. Vitamin B6 helps our nervous system work optimally. Vitamin K helps with blood clotting and our bone health. Potassium, proper kidney and heart function, helps with our muscle contractions, especially if we're doing a lot of activity, and then also nerve function as well. Folate helps with DNA formation and cell division, which is good for everyone, but especially those that are expecting. And then actually one of my favorite benefits of green bell peppers is that they're inexpensive and they're available all year round. So just a really great option. It's not anything that we have to worry about seasonally here. We can just have it whenever we want. So how do we incorporate these into our nutrition? So lots of different ways. You can have them raw, eat them with some hummus, guacamole, some yogurt ranch dip, which is available usually in the produce section in the refrigerated part. So tastes just like ranch, but it's made with yogurt, less calories, less fat for that one. Like I said, you can dice it up, eat it in your eggs in the morning, put it to soups or put it into soups, stir fries. Also, if you're making any sheet pan meals, so like chicken fajitas, you can throw them on there, put a little olive oil, cook them up that way. Another great way for if you are a grill master, adding them to kebabs. So if you're already grilling up everything that you want for your protein, just adding them in as extra vegetables for that. And then my favorite that I like to do in my house is having stuffed peppers. So today's recipe that I'll put in the chat is for a buffalo chicken stuffed pepper recipe. So it does call for a brown rice option, but if you wanted to add in that and an extra vegetable, you can always add some riced cauliflower, which you can usually find in the frozen section. So adding another vegetable there. I typically, when I make stuffed peppers, I try to make the chicken ahead of time. So if I have time, I'll throw them in the crock pot, throw the chicken breast in the crock pot, and then they're ready to go when I want to put everything back together. So it's another great option for saving time. And if you want to use red, orange, or red peppers, that's fine too. Those options might be a little sweeter. The green pepper is a little bit more bitter. So if you want a sweeter option, you can do some of the other colors of peppers. So that is everything that I have for you for today for Food in a Flash, and I will add the recipe to the chat. And if you have any questions or anything that you want to comment on, you can also add it to the chat as well. So have a great day, everyone.